In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Squarespace to Cloudflare. Before we begin, here's what this process does. You're moving your domain's registration from Squarespace to Cloudflare's registrar. Your website and DNS settings can remain the same during the handoff, and Cloudflare will guide you through any checks needed to keep everything running smoothly. First, open your Cloudflare account in a browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace where you want the domain to live. It helps to do this on a desktop with a stable internet connection so you can easily review each screen. Next, copy your Squarespace domain. You want the bare domain name only, such as yourdomain.com, without http, www, or any slashes. If you're unsure, you can grab it from your live site's address bar and then remove anything extra, or check your Squarespace domain settings to confirm the exact spelling and extension. Be careful to avoid trailing spaces when you copy it. Back in Cloudflare, click Add, then select Transfer a Domain. This opens Cloudflare's transfer flow. The layout may evolve over time, but the option you want is the one specifically labeled for transferring a domain into Cloudflare's registrar. Paste your Squarespace domain into the field provided. Take a moment to verify it looks right. The correct root domain, the correct extension, and no extra characters. A quick double check here can save you from avoidable errors later. Click Continue. Cloudflare will now run an initial check to see if your domain is eligible to transfer. This step prepares the rest of the guided process. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen. Cloudflare typically walks you through everything required for a successful move. You may see checks related to domain eligibility, pricing, and contact details. It's common for the flow to reference things like an authorization code or domain lock status. That's normal for any registrar transfer. If the system indicates the domain is locked or needs an authorization code, just continue with the guided instructions provided. Keep an eye on your email as well, because you might receive confirmation messages to approve the transfer. Make sure you can access the registrant contact email associated with the domain, as that's where important notices often go. When you've completed the prompts, Cloudflare will confirm the process has started. Transfers can take anywhere from minutes to several days, and you'll see a status indicator in your Cloudflare dashboard. That's it. Open Cloudflare, copy your Squarespace domain, start the transfer, paste, continue, and let the on-screen steps do the rest.